Ever seen a cat getting vacuumed? Well, this cat gets vacuumed. And he loves it. He is too funny. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Sonaida's vacuuming her cat. Oh my gosh. A minute and 40 seconds of vacuuming him, and he just loves it. Even his legs, he don't get scared, they get sucked in. Oh my gosh.
La va a llevar a operar.
Yeah. Are you done? Gizmo?
No te vas todavía.
You done? Time to fight with that vacuum.
I don't have to worry about his hair going around the house.
No. Your booty too?
Done.
He wants more. I don't think he liked it that part.
I'm sorry.
I don't think he liked that part.
It's yours.
Let me see. You look handsome. Fluffy tail? Almost didn't have one.
Kizzy. Kizzy. Oh.
He's happy. And the other one's coming down now since it's shut off. He's coming.
Yeah,